Join me today as we take a walk through Uncharted, a 2006 Hatteras 64 motor yacht featuring Caterpillar 3412E engines. Uncharted received a major updating and redecorating in 2016, and her exterior paint job is in excellent condition. One of the first things you'll notice when you board Uncharted is her beautiful aft deck teak decking, which was installed in 2016. She also features a beautifully varnished aft deck table as well as a remote third station for docking. The redecorated flybridge features a pipewelder's hardtop with enclosure, nautical structures davit, and dinghy. The twin pomponette helm chairs received a full reconditioning in 2016 at the same time that the electronics were upgraded to Garmin. The Garmin 7000 series touchscreens are fully integrated with radar and remote cameras. The salon of Uncharted was beautifully redecorated in 2016. She features American cherry high gloss wood joinery and the preferred corner cabinet with a large screen TV. Uncharted has a fully functional lower helm station with redundant Garmin electronics. Her single stid helm chair was reupholstered in 2016. The U-shaped galley on Uncharted features 4 Sub-Zero drawers, a dishwasher, and tasteful granite countertops. As we enter the lower deck of Uncharted, we find a centerline companionway which leads to 3 cabins and 3 heads. The port guest cabin features 2 side-by-side berths and private access to the dayhead. The forward VIP cabin has a double berth, plenty of storage, and a private access ensuite. The beautifully redecorated midship master cabin features a king-size centerline berth, his and hers dressers, and his and hers cedar-lined hanging lockers. The master cabin ensuite features the optional combination bathtub and shower. For more information, please call Central Agent Jim Renfro at Total Marine, 410-604-6000.